Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Most Missed Questions. Okay, so we did the first one, so now here's another one that was on the do now, distance, and midpoint. A lot of people missed this one, and that's okay. Now we're going to fix it. Okay, so write down, here's all the important information that I have. So when you see something on the screen, you should write down all the important information and draw the picture, because that's really important. So that's the first thing you do. So in the problem, it gave us that AE is 26, AD was 15, and the distance to AB, BC, and CD are all the same. So they're all congruent. So I can make a little mark here, here, and here if I want, because A to B, B to C, and C to D are all equal. So that means that this length, and this length are all the same. Whatever that might be, I might have to figure that out. Okay, so now I'm just going to mark up my picture. So AE right here is 26. So I'm going to do a little something like this. That's 26. Always mark up your picture. AD is 15. So I can put it here, here, doesn't matter. So let's just put it right here. 15. Okay. So with this information, now I should be able to answer these questions. This is number 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you pay attention to what's going on, because I did one like this. You're going to have to do on your own in a second, okay? So if you don't understand it, you can always rewind and figure it out, because your goal right here is to get this second one done without any help from me. All right? So, number 3. What is DE? Okay. Well, it looks like DE is this. So that's X. So if this part is 15, A to D, and then D to E would be X. But the whole thing is 26. Okay, so that DE is going to be AD, this, plus DE. And now I just plug in, because I know that AD plus DE equals AE. Like that. Like that. So I can solve for DE, because that's what I want to find out, right? So, sorry about that. So now it's more clear. So AD is 15. And DE is what I'm looking for, so I'm going to call that X. AE is the whole thing, which is these two small parts combined, which is going to be 26. So now I'm solving for X. I just subtract 15, and I get 11. So that would mean that DE was 11. So that was the first answer, number 3 of this part. Number 3 on your do now was 11. Cool. All right, next, number 4, AB. So AB is this. So this 15, so I'm looking here at just this. So 15 is A to D, and it looks like it is divided into 1, 2, 3 equal parts, because A to B and B to C and C to D are all equal. That's why we drew this little mark here. So if I divide by 3, so 15 divided by 3, which is 5, that would mean that this is 5, A to B is 5, B to C is 5, and C to D is also 5. Does that make sense? Yeah, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Cool. And if all A, B, B, C, and C, D are all equal, then that gives me my answer, which is AD, which is AB, which is 5. Cool. All right, 2 down. One more to go. What's AC? So that means A to C. This right here. Okay, that just looks like this AB and BC combined. So I got 5 here, and I have 5 here. So 5 plus 5 gets me AC, which is 10. There we go. All right. There it is. So if you need to rewind it and see it again, go ahead and rewind it, see it again, because now this is what you have to do on your own. It's a problem very similar. See if you can get it right. So here's given this, and you have this and this. So you have given this, pause the video, see if you can get it right. Ready, set, go. All right, now WV is 30. Like that. Now WZ is 18. And hopefully you got this. You got to label your picture like that. Now WX xy, and yz are all congruent. So, All right, what is zv? So zv is x, so I'm going to write 18 plus x, which is 30. X equals 12. So hopefully for zv, the distance, you got 12. All right, now wx, so that's this part. So just like before, you have 3 equal parts, and so I'm going to divide 18 by 3. And I get 6. So 6, 6, and 6. Mark up your picture. This is 6. And then wx and xy is the 6 plus the 6, which is also 12. Cool. All right, so hopefully you got all those 3. Good work. Nice job. Let's do another one.